Hey guys, welcome to this episode of Passionate Few.
And I went from
Representing the Passionate Few podcast, Omar, the podcast rockstar, Elattar.
Omar, it's Tony Robbins. Listen, it's obvious you're doing good for others as well, brother.
What's going on, Passionate family? It's Omar Elattar here, host and creator of the Passionate Few. Today, you're about to see all the behind the scenes of not only me playing Tony Hawk's Pro Skater, but also what it's like the day of an interview as we're interviewing an awesome guest today. We're going to be in Beverly Hills area. We got a penthouse. I think it's like $5,000-$10,000 a night. You're going to see me grab some clothes, have some breakfast, kick it with the team, and also kind of just see some stuff like me brushing my teeth and all the kind of normal, regular stuff that you never see me do on interview days. So hope you guys enjoy. But first, we got to play some Tony Hawk, grab some breakfast. I love this game, man. Grew up playing Tony Hawk, and here I am. A decade plus later, playing the same Tony Hawk game as Tony Hawk. Little secret weapon people don't know about. The infamous tongue scraper. It doesn't hurt that bad. And most of the bacteria that comes in your mouth actually is on your tongue. So that's what causes bad breath, a lot of disease in your mouth. So gotta keep your tongue clean. So right now we are headed to get a haircut. About to pull up to A's. I actually went to school with this dude, man, over 10 years ago in high school. So he has a little haircut slash kind of like thrift shop combo. And about to get a quick little lineup and just get the hair ready for the good old interview.
Good man.
Picking up the white pants. Okay, I love it. Very cool. And it's hemmed and everything like that. Yeah, there was a spot last time. Okay. Excelente. Perfect. And we paid already, right? Perfect. Okay, thank you very much. Have a nice day, man. Thank you. Ciao. Boom, ready to go. Got the fresh white pants for the interview. Now about to get ready. All right, so we just made it here to Beverly Hills. We're at the Sunset Marquee, about to get inside this penthouse. It's gonna be freaking epic. Pulled up, got the whole squad's gear, got a bunch of clothes. I'm gonna be wearing a lot of white today, so gotta keep it clean for the interview. So let's go. Super excited to film this. This dude's story is epic. Went from nothing, him and his girl built a 7-figure business. So to go from zero to millions and have a story like this is really compelling, and it's my passion to share these stories. So hope you guys enjoy it, and hope you enjoy the behind the scenes. By the way, to my future kids and the future you watching this, it was well worth the stress. So. What's going on, my man? How are you?
That's good, bro. Keenan, man.
What's going on, man?
You going?
Yes, sir.
Oh.
Pleasure.
Well, how you going?
Keenan.
Got Emma,
Luis. Keenan.
Kevin. How's it going? Coachy.
What's up, Kevin?
It's the whole production crew, so it's good. This looks good, man.
It does,
Pleasure
man.
to finally connect.
Yes, brother.
They're treating you good out here, huh?
Hey, man.
Very cool.
No, I know I was coming out here to see you, man, so I had to make this debut for you, man. My beautiful wife, Olivia.
Pleasure to meet you. Nice to meet you. Omar, pleasure. Yes.
So right here we got this guy, and if you want to come see the shot right here, we're like taking advantage of getting like both, you know, the kitchen and the dining room. So we want to get like a wide shot. I have a 16 millimeter right here, so it's very, very wide. And then This one we're probably gonna have it like on a 50 millimeter to 75 millimeter, but that's gonna be the guests angle, and then this is where Omar's gonna be right here. Pretty dope place.
Dope. Super nervous, man, but excited more than anything, man. You know, I'm like, yeah, I can't wait to get next to this guy, man.
What do you hope people take away from your story?
Man, I hope they get inspired. I hope they understand that no matter what you go through in life, you can overcome it. You know, no matter if you dropped out or anything, you know, you can be a misfit and still be able to make it. You know, like we did.
Just to give you guys context of the interview, you guys have seen the show.
Yeah, beautiful.
Appreciate the kind words on that.
Yeah, man.
And basically, yeah, it's gonna be about an hour to an hour and a half.
Okay.
We can do if you guys want to do like one-on-one. If she'd like to come in too and chat, however you guys want to do it. Essentially, most interviews kind of have 3 parts. So it's gonna start at childhood, how you grew up, lessons learned along the way.
Right.
Second part of it is going to be starting the business, obstacles, failures, lessons learned.
Right.
Third thing is going to be, advice to others, inspiration, motivation,
Right.
calls to action for any products or services you guys offer, courses, whatever trainings.
Right.
You guys can feel free to curse, feel free to tell stories, anything goes. Whether I know everybody's different in that regard.
Yeah.
But yeah, you guys can pretty much share whatever you want to share.
Perfect.
Sound good?
Yeah, man. Yeah.
Any questions you guys have for me or any kind of
Man,
yeah?
how do you get this to happen, man? How do you do the magic, man? Because the people, I'm like, wow, oh boy, that's why I was telling everybody that. I speak highly of you all the time.
Thank you very much.
Like, yo, he gets the people,
Yeah.
the people. You know what I'm saying? Like,
Yeah.
how do you get the people?
Yeah, it's a combination of a few things, but I think number one, it's deciding if that's what you want, and then I think like once you get committed to what it is you want to do, the universe kind of gets out of your way. Most people are not sure if that's what they want.
Right.
Okay, have audio good?
Everyone's phones are on silent.
Good.
Yes, ma'am.
If anybody needs to cut for any reason, if there's anything, just let us know, no problem. Make sure everything's solid, same thing as usual. Cool. Are you good to go? You ready?
Yes, sir.
Nervous? Excited?
Yes, sir. All of it. Let's go.
Awesome. Olivia, you ready? Nervous? Excited? You want me to intro on that one?
Intro that one.
Cool. Rolling?
Ready? 3, 2, 1.
Hey guys, welcome to this episode of The Passionate Few. Today our guest grew up in Alabama from very humble beginnings and aspired to do big things in life. But while he didn't know how to, it took a few years for him to figure out when he ultimately was in Florida, met the woman of his dreams, and would ultimately start a company that would take him from eating off the dollar menu at Wendy's and McDonald's and ramen noodles to building a business into the millions. We have none other than Mr. Keenan Williams. Thanks so much for being on the show today, Keenan.
Thank you.
3, 2, 1.
Hi, I'm Keenan Williams,
And I'm Olivia Williams.
and we are the Passionate Few.
I think that's the one we'll use, but we'll do another one.
Just in
being.
Okay.
Hi, I'm Keenan Williams,
And I'm Olivia Williams.
and we are the Passionate Few.
Yeah. Good
Better.
job.
Yeah, there we go.
That's good. Now, same thing. Hi, I'm Keenan Williams, and then same way, and I'm Olivia Williams. And then you can go and then tell a little bit of the story, just a little bit. The point of this is to hook the audience so they understand the low point to the high point. So, hi, I'm Keenan Williams, and I'm Olivia Williams. And I went from, this struggle and that struggle, whatever it is, whether it be the dollar menu or, figuring out how to get money or, being fired at Skechers or whatever, making $7 an hour, being, the felony in the 11th grade. The more you load up of the low points, the more it's a hook. You get what I mean? Building a $1 million business, multi-million-dollar business, and I'm one of the passionate few. You get me?
Right, and I went from.
Action.
Hi, I'm Keenan Williams,
And I'm Olivia Williams.
and I went from dropping out of high school, catching a felony, eating off the dollar menu, meeting the love of my life, and built a multi-million-dollar business. And I'm lucky to be one of the Passionate Few.
Thank you so much for enjoying this video. And if you found this content valuable, uplifting, and inspiring to take your life and your business to the next level, then I have some exciting news for you. Because the Passionate Few Academy officially launched our brand new on-demand training that you can access absolutely free at www.tpfacademy.com. Right there, you'll learn the #1 way to grow your personal brand or business brand online fast. The same way I've learned from interviewing some of the most successful people on the planet right here on the show who've done exactly that. So again, don't forget to check it out, www.tpfacademy.com. I promise you, you'll be blown away. And also, don't forget, there's 3 ways you can connect with me further. #1, you can text me absolutely free at the number on the screen right now and send me your most pressing life, business, or branding question, and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. #2, if you'd like to be interviewed on the show, you can actually apply right now in the description below and apply to share your incredible story, brand, or business right here with an audience of potentially millions of people, the same way we've helped experts, entrepreneurs, and authors just like you. And don't forget, that opportunity comes with the ability to partner with us and help feed 1 million people through our partnership with Feeding America. Again, you can click the link in the description below titled Interview Application to find out more. And last but not least, #3, if you'd like to get consulting from our team and work with you to help you grow your personal brand or business brand, no matter what industry you're in, we can do that by simply filling out the questionnaire in the description below titled Consulting Application. And if our team thinks that you'd be a great fit, who knows, you may just be invited to work with us to help you take your business to the next level. All right, that's it. Thank you so much for enjoying this video. Make sure to smash that subscribe button, turn on post notifications so you never miss an episode. And until next time, live strong, live with passion, and I'll see you in the next inspiring video.